Hi there, this is My Lock, and this is a special package that's just arrived today. I think I know what this is. I think this is, if it's what I think it is, it actually got here quite rapidly. It is indeed. Just check that there's no names or addresses there. Excellent. So this is the prizes from Knox Locks giveaway. It was hashtag Knox Locks 101. So we have the stickers. Put them aside for the moment. We have the bare bones, 3 bones deep in 15,000th. And with some of the locks I've been tackling lately, these are going to come in very handy. I was going to purchase another set of the Sparrows SS Devs. As this, my favourite one, this one here, is beginning to curve at the back. But hopefully these hooks will do just the job. I'll give them a wee sand down, finish them off. They're perfectly fine, but I'll just smooth off the edges a wee bit. So, really happy to have them. Oh, we've got a bristle for making a tensioner out of. We have, it's an American lock date code. I have this written out somewhere, but that is a neat little thing to have. And a wee pinning mat. And we have the Knox Locks poker chip. So I'll need to make a wee stand for this. So what I need is a white backdrop there that I can put my stickers and things like the poker chips on. And last but not least, we have the American 5200. I think this was modified internals, so I'll give it a wee pick now. Let's zoom in a wee bit, and what have we got? We've got top of the keyway. I should actually hold on to this and get some Million Scoville hot chili sauce and try and get my my membership of the Million Scoville Club. So let's have a very light tension. A wee click from 4, we click from 5, and we've dropped into a false set. Quite a deep false set for an American, for an American 5200. So we're looking for counter. So I'm going to manually turn it back a wee bit. Not quite tight enough to float pick, but I don't think I've dropped anything yet. Got a click from 1, got a bit of counter rotation. 3. Super light tension. Barely touching that tensioner. There we go. Yeah, I was barely touching that tensioner. So let's try and do a quick gutting. I'll pop that there. I will angle the camera down. Sorry for the I may well speed up this this bit. Go. So we have some modifications here. We've got a bit of a cut across the second chamber to allow for a deeper falset. And there we go. There's the. So let's top this out. Number 1, serrated keeping. Number 2, again a short serrated keeping. 3. And 4. And 5. So we have, I think we have some threading in the core. Oh, sorry. Focus. Get some light in here. Alright, it's trying to focus on that thumbnail of mine. Yeah, so I think I'm seeing light. Certainly threading in 4. Looks like there's some undercutting going on in 3. Sorry, threading in 5. Some undercut in 4. Not sure. Possibly some undercutting in 3. We've got that deep trench across 2. And I'm not sure. There may be some threading in 1. So we'll pop that aside. And let's have a look. Take that out there. What did I do with my... Oh, crikey. If my head wasn't bolted on. So we've got serrated in one. Oh, and we have a threaded chamber in one. If I can... Yeah, heavily threaded chamber in one. I don't know if you can hear that. So there we go. Heavily threaded in one. Two. We've got a serrated spool in two. And looks like two is counter milled. Three, another serrated spool. Four, oh, four, we have the dog tag chain. And five. We have another serrated in five. So we've got some more threading in five as well. We can get a look in there. So threading in five, threading in one, and looks like standard springs. Yeah, so chamber two looks like it's been, there's some extra counter milling in there. It's been hollowed out a little bit wider. There we go. So that's the Knox Locks Series 5200 American lock challenge lock. So if I can move that closer, I'll zoom into that. The camera's, the phone's not great when it's zoomed in. So we've got a fair amount of modifications to the plug and to the Bible. I just love these American lock pins. And the barbell thrown in there for the deep falset. There we go. So link in the top here to Knox Locks' channel, and yeah, his giveaway is still ongoing. I think we're currently in week 2. I think there are is it 12 or 13 giveaways all together, and the big prize is the last one. Although I am delighted, absolutely delighted with what I received from the Knox Locks 101 from the first week of the giveaway, and yeah, fantastic. Congratulations again, Knox. Superb channel, superb community spirit, and yeah, just real happy to be a part of it. Thanks again, dude. So that's pretty much everything, I think. Have a good one. Cheers.